Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at new custom order Sea Ray 21 SPX. All right, so inside the boat, one of the first things everyone notices, level entryway coming into the back. No weird steps to go up and down. There's one small step here into the cockpit. You got captain seat with flip-up bolster. This is ordered with the Simrad right in the dash. Nice wraparound seating up front. Practically fully upholstered, a little bit of gap here, but really comfortable boat. Performance is awesome, especially with a 4.5 liter 200 horsepower stern drive in it. Water sports tower that just folded. Just did a separate video on how to put the tower down. And really popular flip-flop backrest, so you can flip the seat to the back, you know, if you want to sit here facing forward, or if you're pulling kids on tubes, flip the seat this way. That way you get a nice stern facing seat. And this cushion also removes if you want to use this as a rear facing, this is just a rear facing like captain seat. Storage underneath all of your seats all the way around, as well as built-in cooler space in the back. We're also selling these at a special introductory price, so give us a call and we can work a deal for you.